So we're chilling out on the expressway right now, and it is snowing like a motherfucker. And it's almost 4:20. It's so snowing out. It's almost blizzard weather now. It's not showing up on the iPhone because it takes so many idiot frames. April 20th.
It's ridiculous.
It's almost May. And it is white out.
April snow brings May flowers.
I didn't know that.
That's a new saying.
Yeah, I thought so.
There you go, you can see the ice building up on the... It's a backlight. I think people drive like pussies.
Yeah, it's not even that bad.
Dude, I'm so glad we put this stuff in the toolbox.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Man, it's so screwed.
God, dude. How pissed did you have been? You're $450.
Or my dick's 18.
Oh, God.
Wow. Good times.